Hello, my friends. Today we are going to start with a grammar English course. It is a book that consists of more than 400 pages, so it will take a long time. In the first chapter, we are going to deal with pronouns. Today, we are going to deal with two types of pronouns, namely subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns such as I, you, we, they, he, she, it. These words perform the action in the sentence. Or the words that perform the action in the sentence are called subject pronouns. The another type is an object pronoun. Words that receive the action, such as me, you, us, them, him, her, and it. Let us have some examples. For instance, we say, do we choose she or her in the following sentence? She, her, and Paul are planning on attending the concert. Do we choose she or her? Please look at or focus on the first two words that are between two brackets. She or her. Do we need here a subject or an object? Look, the main verb is are, and here we need a subject because, as you know, that pronouns that precedes the verb should be in the subject form. So we choose she. We do not say her. She, this is a subject pronoun. Her, this is an object pronoun. And here we need a subject. So we choose she. We say she and Paul are planning on attending the concert. Let us have another example. Look at our sentence. We asked girls insist on being admitted to the club. Do we choose we or us? Now, here, let us ask ourselves, do we need a subject or an object? Surely we search for the verb of the sentence. It is, or the verb is an insist on. And since the pronoun precedes the main verb of the sentence, do you see? It should be used in or should be used in the subject, or the pronoun should be one of the subject pronouns. We, this is a subject pronoun. Us, this is not a subject pronoun, it is an object pronoun, so we use we. And the correct sentence becomes, we girls insist on being admitted to the club. Number 3, our teachers give us the extra credit to Milan and now to Milan and I or me. Our teacher gave the extra credit to Milan and I or me. Focus on the two pronouns, namely I or me. Here, do we need an object or a subject? Look, it comes after the main verb of the sentence, namely give. This is the main verb of the sentence, so we need an object. Me, this is an object pronoun. I, this is a subject pronoun, so we say me. And the correct answer becomes like this. Our teacher gave the extra credit to Milan and me, not and I, because Milan is an object, do you see? And here it has been joined with a pronoun, and the pronoun should be in the object form. Milan and me, not Milan and me, because Milan is an object of the main verb of the sentence, namely give. Give, this is the main object of the sentence. Number 4, no one saw him and she or her together at the game. Now, look, do we choose she or her? We search for the verb of the sentence. No one saw. So this is the main verb. No one, this is the subject, and so here him and she or her. Him, this is an object. Do you see? So an object can be joined with another object. She or her, surely her. The correct answer becomes like this. No one saw him and her together at the game. We cannot say saw him and she, because him, this is an object pronoun, and she, this is a subject pronoun. Number 5, how many tickets did you buy for us or we? Focus on us or we. Do we need an object pronoun or a subject pronoun? How many tickets did you buy for? The main verb is buy, do you see? And as you can see that the location of these two pronouns, namely us and we, is after the main verb, so we need an object pronoun. You say, did you buy for us? And for this a preposition, and here it is an object of a preposition. So, and the correct form is as the following: how many tickets did you buy for us, not for we? Number 6, you and, do we say he or him? You, this is a subject, and should it is joined with another subject. Do you say he or him? Him, this is an object. He, this is a subject pronoun. Him is an object pronoun. So we join you with another subject pronoun, namely he, and the correct form becomes you and he will represent the class at the meeting. In brief, we can say that before the main verb of the sentence, usually we use subject pronouns. I remind you of subject pronouns once more: I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. After the main verb of the sentence, we use object pronouns: me, you, us, them, him, her, and it. So, subject pronouns perform the action, object pronouns receive the action. In one sentence, you might have more than one object. You say direct object and indirect object, but they have the same form, See you in the coming code. Surely it will be about pronouns, because this topic hasn't been finished yet. Thanks so much.